Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video. So this is the PC build log number 5. So without further ado, let's just jump ahead and see what we got today. So for today's episode, I'm buying all kind of memory stuffs. So for the boot drive, I'm going to use the Gamer SSD I 120GB. So this has an read speed of around 538 and a write speed of 428, which is really fast for the price. It cost me around $50. And next up, for the mass storage, I'm going to use this Seagate Barracuda Compute 2TB, which has a speed of 7200 RPM, which is fast for all my games and programs and also YouTube stuffs. And last, for memory sticks, I bought this Team T-Force Dark Memory, which has a speed of 300 MHz, and this is a DDR4 and support Intel XMP 2.0 overclocking. And last, this is a 16GB and has a full-time warranty. I don't think we're going to unbox this. Just stay tuned and see the final video where we're gonna build it using this RAM. And for the SSD, let's just see what it looks like. Let's crack it open. So a package using this stuff, and well, the design is really cool. It has this Poseidon stick, which is really amazing, and it's really light. I never touched an SSD before and it feels really light. I don't even feel like touching anything. It's just like air. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give it a dislike. And stay tuned for the next 2 more build log. I'm going to buy accessories and also the case. So yeah, if you want to see it, just consider to subscribe down below. And also, I'm going to build a PC this end of month. So yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome.